How to delete group in Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete group in Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Snapchat application, let's first visit the App Store over here, or if you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and type in the search bar Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat. So from here, what we're going to do is to check if our Snapchat is up to date. So if it shows an update button like this one, that means that your Snapchat is currently outdated. So you just have to update it by simply clicking on this update button. However, if it says open, that means that your Snapchat is currently up to date and you're good to go. Assuming that I'm now done updating my Snapchat app, I'm just going to go ahead and open Snapchat right here. Also, updating the app will make sure that we will be facing the same user interface, and so you will be guided all throughout on this tutorial. So once you open the Snapchat app, you should be at your camera page. So let's go to the chats page by clicking on this chats icon, or you can just simply swipe to the right. So now we're here, and here we can see the conversations with our friends and also the group chats that we are in. So to delete a certain group chat or a group in Snapchat, for example, I'd want to delete this certain group chat. I'm just going to click on that conversation. We'll just open up that certain group chat. And from here, click the profile icon at the top left corner, right beside your group name. So just click on that and this page should load up and you should see all the members of that group here and any other information about your group. So from here, just click on this three-dotted icon at the top right corner. And as you can see, there is actually no option to directly delete a group and remove the group chat from everyone's Snapchat. So the only option that we have is to leave the group, but leaving the group will only delete that group chat for your side and not with the other members. So however, if you collectively agree that you want to leave that group chat, that will essentially delete that certain group chat. So you can just click on leave group and leave group once again, and that will automatically delete that group chat from your chats list over here. So that is how you can basically delete group in Snapchat. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.